Hello, my dear students. A very good morning to all of you. So, let us continue with working with layers in this session. So, first of all, how to work with layers? You can select a layer, you can rename a layer, you can add number of layers you want, you can hide and lock the layers, you can delete the layers, you can also change the position of the layers, and the layers can also be customized according to you. So in short, working with layers is very interesting. One layer can be activated at a time, but more than one layer can be selected at one go. Okay, so let us see the operations what a layer can do. So first is selecting a layer. To make a layer active, you can either select the layer in the timeline or select the stage object in the layer. Okay, so here in the timeline you will see the list of the layers. So you can select the layers for selecting it. The active layer will be highlighted here with blue color in the timeline, and here the pencil icon will be shown to you on the right side. Next is renaming a layer. Follow the given steps to rename a layer. First, you have to click on the layer which you want to rename. Then you have to double click on it and enter a new name, for example train. The second option to rename a layer is you can also rename a layer by right clicking on it and on the layer name and selecting the properties option from the context menu. Then entering a new name in the name text box in the layers property dialog box, and finally click on the OK. Okay, so there are two ways to rename a layer. Next is drawing a train. So now if you want to draw any object on the layer, then it is also possible. So you have to follow the given steps to draw the train. First select the view, then go to grid and show grid. Choose the line, rectangle and the oval tools to draw the train. Click on the fill color box and then select the color as shown in the figure. It means red, blue, green, orange, grey, many colors are there to draw the train. Choose a paint bucket tool and click inside the train so that the color will get filled. Now adding a new layers. Follow the steps given to add the new layers. Already if you have created one layer, now you want to add more layers, then how it is possible. First click on the insert layer button which is at the bottom of the timeline. A new layer appears above the selected layer. Okay, so this is the selected layer and you will see that the new layer gets appeared in the beginning. Double click on the layer name, type train as a new name for the layer panel and finally press the enter key. This is how you can add a new layer. Then creating a truck. Now on the previous layer we have created a train. So now in the new layer we are going to create a track. It means a rail track. Follow the given steps to create a track, not a truck. Make sure that the train is the active layer. Select the rectangle tool, draw a track by using the brown hash stroke and fill the colors. Choose window, color mixture to display the color panel. Okay, so this is how you can draw a railway track below the train. Now creating a background. Follow the steps given to create a background. Make sure the background is an active layer. Select the rectangle tool, draw a background by using a blue as a stroke and the fill colors. Choose window, color mixture to display the color panel. Select the linear fill style from the type drop down list in the color panel. Double click on the left and the right markers and set the colors as light blue and the dark blue respectively. Okay, so this is how you can set the background. So first you have to double click on the left and the right markers. The left and the right markers, and you have to set the color. This is the light blue color and this is the dark blue color respectively. Now select the paint bucket tool to fill the color and click inside the rectangle. So here you have to click inside the rectangle. To rotate the shape, select the free transform tool and click on the rectangle. Then select modify, transform, rotate 90 CV to rotate the image, to rotate the rectangle. Drag the middle handle to extend the rectangle horizontally. Adjust the corner handles of the background according to the stage size. Then convert the background to the symbol by selecting modify, convert to symbol in the rectangle or press F8. So this is the shortcut key to modify the background to a symbol. Select graphic behavior and type the name background in the convert to symbol dialog box. You will see the symbol in the library panel. Okay, so this is how you can set the background to the layer. Now adding the grass. Now at the down you want to add the grass below the railway track, then that is also possible. To add a grass, follow the given steps. Click the train layer to make it the active layer. Click outside the stage to deselect the train. Select the rectangle tool. Click the stroke color box and select no color. Select the fill color box and choose the bright green as the fill color. So here you will see the grass will be of bright green color. Draw the rectangle below the train for the grass, and this is how a grass is drawn. Now how to change the order of the layers. For example, if you want first a train to be displayed, then its railway track, then the background, and then the grass. So all these layer positions can be changed. So this is how to change the orders of the layers. You can also change the order in which the layers are arranged. Follow the given steps to place the sky behind the train. So first you have to click the track layer in the timeline. Then drag the track layer downward to the place it below the train layer. So you have to drag and drop the layers according to the way you want to set it. So this is how you can change the order of the layers. Now moving a train. Make the train move, we have to follow the given steps. First, choose the selection tool to choose or to select the train. Click and drag the train to the right side of the stage. Click frame 1 of the train layer. In the property inspector, choose the motion in the tween field to make a movement of the train. Click the frame 60 of the train layer. Insert a keyframe by pressing the F6 key. Move it to the left side on the stage and then select Ctrl Test Movie command to move the train. So first you have to move a train to the right side, again you have to move the train to the left side, and when you will run, you will see that the train is moving. So which command is used? Motion command in the twin field is used to move the train. Now how to hide the layers? Layers can be hid or shown to view contents on the other layers. You can hide all the layers in your document simultaneously or one at a time by following the given steps. First, click on the eye icon above the layers. A red cross symbol appears in the eye column. All the contents will disappear from the stage. Okay, so the eye icon is there above the red. Here you will see that the red cross is there. Here the black is there, but here can you see on the third a red cross is there. A red cross, it means that a layer is hidden, it will not be able to see, and all the contents will be there inside that layer will be disappeared. Each red cross symbol one by one in the column and observe that the contents of the layer reappear on the stage. Now if you again want that content to be displayed, then again you have to click here on the red cross symbol and you will see that again that layer will be shown. Now how to lock the layer? We can lock a layer so that any further changes in the layer can be avoided. To do so, follow the given steps. First, click on the train layer to make it active. In the timeline, click the black dot under the lock column. A padlock icon appears indicating that the layer is now locked. Here you will see that the lock is there. So this lock, it means a padlock icon will be appeared and you will see that a layer is locked. Try to drag the train logo that appears on the stage using the selection tool. This can't be done because the train layer is locked. Okay, so yeah, there you have to select that layer. You can make changes to that layer. But what you will observe that changes will not be made. Why? Because the train layer is locked. So you cannot make any further changes to that layer. Now how to do masking in the flash. First of all, what is masking? Masking means a process of hiding and displaying the content of layer to make a content visible and invisible. It is used in Flash to create the spotlight effects and transitions that display in the text through the hall. A mask controls visible area in one or more layers. Okay, so you can mask the controls in visible area of more than one layers. You can mask or you can hide and display the entire layer. You can hide and make the visible again some part of the layer. So the mask control is possible to be done on the entire layer also and the part of the specific layer also. Masking can be used to hide the objects under a mask, animate the mask or object under the mask, or even place multiple masks in the scene. So in one layer, in one scene, multiple masks can be there. Multiple portions or multiple areas can be masked, can be hidden and can make again be visible also. Now let us see how to create a mask layer. To create a mask layer in Flash, follow the given steps. Open a new file. Change the background color to green by clicking the drop-down list of the background option in the Property Inspector. Then double-click the layer and type the name Mask. Click on the frame 40. Right-click here and select Insert Blank Keyframe option. Add a new layer and name it as Book Name. Click on the frame 1 of the mask layer. Select the Text tool. Select the font Monotype Corsia, size is equal to 45 pixel, text field color and toggle the blot style in the Property Inspector. Now type the text viva.computer. So here can you see that viva.computer is already written. Now click on the first frame of the layer named mask. Select the field color blue and draw the oval slightly larger than the text. Select the oval using a selection tool. Convert the oval into the symbol by pressing the F8 key. Type the name in the Convert to Symbol dialog box and then click on the OK. Now align the oval to the left side of the text. Click on the frame 45 and drag the instance of the oval symbol on the stage and place it on the right side of the text, that is viva.com. Right click between the frame 1 and frame 45 of the layer mask and select Create Motion Tween option, and you will see that your written or your portion, your text will start moving. Now right click on the top layer book name and select mask option from the context menu. Press Ctrl Test Movie to play the movie and then finally view the result. So this is how you can do masking. You can create a mask layer and how you can do masking. Make a layer visible, invisible, how to move a particular text or an object from one place to another. So here you will see that on the right side each and every steps are given. So you have to see that steps in your textbook and you have to see that how to create a mask layer. Now the next topic is rotation with masking effect. Follow the given steps to perform the rotation with the masking effects. First, open a new file by clicking on the file menu and selecting the new option. Import an image to the stage by selecting file, import and input to stage. Okay, so this is how you can import or you can take an image to your file to your layer. So you have to select the file option. From that you have to go to import and select import to stage and the picture will be inserted. Fit the image by selecting the dimensions 550, 440 into the Property Inspector here. Click the frame 50 and press F6 to convert it into the keyframe. Rename the image layer to Autumn and then lock it. Add one more layer by clicking the Insert Layer button and name it set Polygon Mask. Select the Polygon Mask layer and draw a polygon using a polygon tool at the center of the image with no stroke color. Here you can see that the polygon is drawn on the middle of the image. So this is how you can draw the polygon on it. Choose the selection tool and select the polygon here. Convert to symbol using F8 key. Define graphics behavior and type the name polygon in the name box. Insert a keyframe at the frame 50 on the polygon mask layer. Select the frame 1 on the polygon mask layer and select motion from the drop down list of the tween property in the Property Inspector. Select the CW option in the rotate field. Right click on the polygon mask layer between frame 1 and frame 50 and select the mask option. Now press Ctrl plus Enter to play the movie and you will see that in the first image the polygon will be displayed. In second you will see a middle dot, it means the polygon will be selected. In the third you will see that again the polygon will be selected, and on the final stage the entire image will be fit to the polygon. It means here the background image is there, so it will be fitted into the polygon and the image will get vanished. This is how you can rotate your layer, how you can rotate with the masking effect. You can make something invisible and visible to the another shape. Okay, so here we are finishing our session with this. We will continue the methods of animation in our next class. For now, bye bye. Have a great day ahead.